Okay guys, here is your health tip for the week. I just got back in from walking. I'm a sweaty mess and I'm dying of thirst. So I usually come in and make myself a smoothie that is super healthy. And this is how you do it. So I've got my chia seeds. And I'm going to take 1 tablespoon. Oops. Put them in my blender. And if you're just starting with chia seeds, you should start with like a teaspoon to make sure they don't bother your stomach. But you let those sit for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon, a couple of ice cubes, and a couple handfuls of blueberries. And whip it up. And here we go. That's it. See you on the next one. Bye.